Hey, Christopher, how you doing? Oh, heck yes. Yeah, that works. Definitely. See how much it just leaves this open for you. It's fantastic. Really great. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what we got here. Got everything we need. All right, so one thing I noticed is I'm just going to open this banner. Oh, it's a PNG and not a GIF. So, of course, that's why I don't see the animations. I had said I was going to open this. I was going to say, hey, wait a second, we're not animating, but this is a GIF. So, I mean, a PNG. So, I'd like to see the GIF. So, I'd like to see the final animation. But what I would recommend, I still think we have a little bit of work to do here. So, what I would recommend is this: is I would straighten that out since it's straight in the magazine ad. Just place it right there. I think that's fine. Now, please note, if you don't care for that, go ahead and you don't have to use it in once the class is over. The requirement is satisfied. When you consider using this piece for your portfolio, if you wish to do so, and you don't care for this, you can go ahead and remove it. One thing I would recommend is this. I want to reconfigure the page a little bit because I think we could redistribute some weight in a more meaningful way. So what we're going to do is let's come over here, and since nothing is center aligned, what we're going to do is take this 716 Amethyst Bay. I would move the logo up just a little bit, and then let's align that. Let's get that in alignment right here. And let me grab let's grab this page right here. We can use that to check alignment. So we can see the logo. Actually, you're in pretty good alignment there, so that's cool. But let's do this. What I want to do is I want to pull this in this margin a little bit. Okay, so leave this. These are fine right here, but take the headline and subhead and move it in right about here or so. Right where that yellow is. That would be perfect. Okay, then I'd like to get the subhead a little closer to the headline. So move it up a little bit. That's called proximity. And basically that's a principle of design that dictates that if things have a close relationship, they should be placed close together in a composition. So this being a headline, which is basically a continuation or a continuation of thought from the headline, the subhead, let's move it up right underneath. Not too much space, but this is too much space right here. Okay, so we have that headline, subhead, awesome. Then what we're going to do is take this guy right here, and we're just going to move it up, and we're going to put that right here, so that's a really, really obvious place for the call to action, and then go ahead and fade that as such. One other thing I would recommend is this. Now, you take a tutorial, okay, and just in the Google image or the Google search, just say tutorials on the clone stamp in Photoshop. And I'd like you to clone this out. This little jet ski up here is really super distracting. Why? Because it's an anomaly. It doesn't belong in the ad because it's it just seems like it's just a leftover image. So we're going to clone that right out, replace it with clean, clear water that looks just like this. It's called the clone stamp. And like I said, just do a quick Google search, how to use the clone stamp in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. And we'll be able to clone that right out of there. It's a really cool technique, and one that I kind of wish we covered in this class, but we don't. So it'll give you a great chance to understand how that tool works. Okay, so other than that, fantastic. If you have any questions, please let me know. But and if you want to go ahead and resubmit, you know the drill. I'm here if you're here. How did I put this in week one? If you're working, I'm working. So if you submit 10 iterations, I'm going to give you 10 critiques. All right. So please feel free to resubmit if you feel the need to do so. If not, then I would just like to see those changes reflected in your final campaign. All right. Great job. Thank you very much.